I have no iPhone rights to heaven. Um, I think what I'm talking about uh, gives an approach to life and an understanding about life and an understanding of our interrelatedness that actually is not only positive, it's healthy for people. You know, the idea that we should love our Creator, respect our creation, respect the creatures that He makes, that I should love the people around me and try and live in as harmonious a way as possible, to recognize my own limitations about who I am as a human being. I think all those things are very, very positive. A lot of human argumentation when it comes to religion is we earn our way in religion, or there's an assumption that we're actually very good people, when I think the stories of what we see on the news on a regular basis suggest that we actually struggle as people, and that without the humility that comes with faith and trust and a belief in a Creator, the world that we live in is actually a messier place, believe it or not, than it would be with people of religious faith who have some sense of being sensitive to another person. Do I think I speak for God? In one sense, yes, because I sense, my sense is that He changed the direction of my life. I didn't grow up in a Christian home. And the life that I've had after is much better and much more wholesome and much more beneficial to people than the life I was living before. And so when you find something that you feel like is helpful in life, and you care about people, you tell other people about it.